Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So the first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button until you see the KOSPET logo on the screen, which takes about, I would say, 10 seconds. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and the watch will boot up. And if it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages. You can scroll through this list, select the language you would like to use, and then you will see the QR code. And you can use it to download the application if you want to. You can open the camera app on your iPhone, scan it with the phone, basically pointing the camera at the QR code, and it will redirect you to the download link for the app. I'm just gonna use the App Store because the app is on the App Store, so I'm gonna get it from there. I'm gonna open the App Store, tap on the search button, then tap on the search bar and type in Apex Move, and then tap on search. And we are looking for this application, Apex Move, with this icon. Let's tap on get button to download and install it. I need to confirm the installation, so give me a few seconds. I'm not sure I remember the password, so let's try. Give me a second, I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, so the application is done installing, and we can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, we can tap on OK, allow the required permission, the Bluetooth one. This one is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, allow it. And once you're done with the permissions, you will need to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on register right here to make a new one, and then use it to log in. And if you want to, you can also use the third-party accounts like Apple, Google, Facebook, and stuff like that. I already have an account, so I'm gonna just enter my email address and password. And then tap on login, of course. Agree. And after you log in, you will see probably more pop-ups about the permissions, allow them or deny them. No, don't save the password. And now you should see the home page of the app. Tap on My, tap on Add Device. The app should detect your watch as long as it's turned on, so tap on it to select it. Tap on the checkmark on the watch. Tap on pair in the app. Allow or deny the permissions for the notifications. And at this point, you should see the Tank T3 Ultra 2 in the app. And if you open, or rather wake up the screen on your watch, and open the quick panel, you will see this icon, which indicates that the watch is connected with a phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.